Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to visit Aeronautical Science Museum located in Chiba. Me with my son and wife. Just my wife went to the convenience store to buy something to grab a quick bite because we skipped the breakfast. We woke up lately. Now we are on the way. From our home to this location it's around 40 minutes. So we will show you more when we get to the location. Enjoy the ride.
Whoa!
We have just arrived in this place. Different type of aircrafts outside this place. Ed,
Whoa!
you already have one in your hand. What is this?
Huh?
First we will go inside and later we will show you the aircrafts. Most of them are old ones, but I think it's for Aiden it will be a new experience because he haven't seen aircraft close. Like most places in Japan, you are allowed to bring your pet here. You have to take a ticket to get inside. For adult, it's 700 and around 5 USD. Daiji. So, で子供はまだ3歳になってないで大丈夫? Most of these places you don't have to take a ticket if your child is under 3 years old. Aiden is still 2.5, so he don't have to take a ticket. Nadi. Yeah. Aiden, come. Come. Just you go inside, you can see a actual wing. I don't know much about aircrafts. Like most places, all the descriptions are in Japanese. And this shows the actual aircraft. There's a huge engine.
Oh, this is
Sure.
my fire.
In what? It looks like an enjoy. No, no, don't touch. I don't know much about aircraft, so I'm not able to explain what these are. But anyhow, I'm enjoying just by seeing these huge machines. And I think these are different kind of uniforms used by JAL means Japanese Airlines. These are different types of uniforms used by other airlines because I have seen some of these when I was flying. These are not Japanese ones, especially few of them I recognize. And they have built like an actual airplane. Some of these places we are not allowed to go when we are flying. I think this is a kitchen area. I'm seeing this for first time. I have flown many times, but I haven't been to a kitchen in an airplane. I think this is a kitchen. Oh, business class. This is a simulation of business class in a cockpit. Not much to say. And inside this room, they have built a total simulation of Narita Airport. This is a simulation of Narita Airport. And we are really close to Narita Airport. It's around 5 to 10 minutes from Narita Airport from the car. Looks like Aiden is having a good time. This place is so kids friendly. Most of the museums that you are not allowed to touch these things and all, but this one, they know kids will be exploring this place, and they have built so many things to the kids. Even actual play area with the airplanes they have built. It's so windy. I don't know you can hear me or not. Now we are in the rooftop of this place, and from here you can see actual Narita Airport. There's a good view that you can see planes come in and go in and everything. This is Narita Airport, one of the busiest airports in the Japan. Look, look, Dota. What is this? Airplane. Yeah. So guys, that's it. That's the end of my video. Had a great day. Hope you guys enjoy my video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like, comment and share. Thank you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Aiden, come.